Debate over wilderness study areas continues to smolder in Montana, with Congressman Gianforte hoping to get legislation approved forcing final action on the lands that were actually set aside for possible wilderness protection more than 40 years ago.
It's a debate that's involved many corners of Montana, including the Bitterroot. However, there are still questions about whether the bills introduced by Gianforte and Senator Steve Daines will be able to survive the turmoil in Washington with midterm elections less than 4 months away.
Wilderness study areas, more commonly known as WSAs, are lands that are protected from development but are not classified solely as wilderness. According to the Montana Wilderness Association, 44 areas in the state contain important wildlands managed by the Bureau of Land Management and the U.S. Forest Service. Former BLM employee Rick Waldrop says WSAs were created in the 70s as a way to protect the land until Congress knew what they wanted the future use to be.
The wilderness study areas were not going to be with us forever, but that Congress would do its job and make a decision based on the recommendations and all of the work that was done.
These wilderness study areas have placed thousands of acres of land in limbo for almost 40 years. So when I got a request from the state legislature and then letters from county commissioners, I knew I had to act to increase public access to our public lands.
Gianforte has introduced 2 bills to Congress that would strip around 700,000 acres of federal land in Montana. Waldrop says if the bills are passed, it would allow for lodging, mining, oil drilling, and motorized vehicle use.
Absolutely, it could cause a problem. We went and looked today at some of the most unspoiled country left in the lower 48, I think, and certainly a lot of these areas deserve some protection.
But others disagree. Beaverhead County Commissioners wrote a letter to Gianforte stating the Beaverhead County Commissioners believe that over 10 million acres of wilderness and national parks within 1 day's drive of Dillon are ample in meeting ecological, environmental, and human needs for wilderness within this region. We therefore urge the agencies to forego an agenda of adding acres of wilderness for the sake of adding acres to wilderness. The bills have made it through the initial hearing and will go through a markup before landing on the House floor. In Bozeman, Medeiros Babb, MTN News.